Suno AI version 5.5 is here, and it's personal. You can finally use your own voice in your songs, train a custom model on your own catalog of music, and it also learns your taste in music to help you make new songs. This is insane. Let's get into it. Feature number 1 is called Voices, and it was the most requested feature from Suno users. Let me explain what it actually does before I demo it. Basically, you record a sample of your voice or upload a recording you already have, and Suno creates a voice model from it. Once that voice model is created, you can use it in any song you generate. So instead of some random Suno voice singing your track, it's something that sounds like you. Let's head over to the Suno website. The link is in the description. Click on the Create menu on the left sidebar and switch to Advanced mode. You'll now see a new option called Voices. Personas have been renamed to Voices, but don't worry, nothing has changed. You can still use them the same way as before. In fact, they sound even better in version 5.5. To create your own voice, click on Create Voice. This opens a menu where you can either record your voice, upload a sample, or choose audio from your Suno library. Sing in the style and language you want. If you have a good microphone, even better. Try to record in a quiet space with no background noise or people talking. The longer the recording, the more accurate your voice model will be. I'd recommend at least 30 seconds or more. I'll go with the upload option since I already have a recording of myself singing. I'll select that and upload it here. If your audio has background music, Suno will automatically separate the vocals for you. Once the voice is uploaded, you can listen to it and trim out any unwanted parts, keeping only the clean vocal sample. Next, check the box to confirm that this is your own voice and that you're not using someone else's or any artist's voice. Then click on Use Voice. Suno will now verify that it's really your voice by asking you to read a phrase shown on the screen. The phrase can be displayed in multiple languages from this drop-down. I'll read it in English and click the check mark. Suno will then compare your voice with the uploaded sample, and that's it. Now you can give your voice a name so it's easy to recognize. You can also remove the default image and generate an AI avatar, or upload your own photo and set it as the avatar. Keep in mind, voices created from recordings or uploads cannot be made public. They stay private in your Suno profile. Finally, click on Save and your voice is ready. In the Model selection, choose the latest version 5.5. With the voice selected, let's write some lyrics and create a song. In the style description, enter the genre or vibe you want, then click on the personalized magic wand to enhance the prompt based on your preferences. Click on More Options to adjust additional settings. You can specify the voice gender and increase the audio influence slider if you want it to sound more like you. The default is 25%. Let's keep it there for now. Now give your song a title, click Create, and let's see what we get. So here's the voice sample I provided.
There's nothing in the world like the way that it hits when you're laid back on the drift.
And here's what Suno created.
I need, when I close my eyes, you're all I see. In the silence, you're my frequency. Every broken part, you redefine me. No more running on my empty days. You turn my doubt into a flame. Now I'm burning in a better way. Say my name, say my name. Oh, baby.
If you want to create a new voice from your existing songs, select the track, click on the three-dot menu, then go to Create Voice. Suno will start processing the vocal stem. Once it's ready, you can click and drag across the waveform to select the part of the vocals you like the most. Give it a name so you can easily recognize it later. You can also choose to make it public if you want other Suno users to use your voice, or keep it private. Then click Save. And that's it. Your new voice is ready to use. If you open the Voices section, you'll see all the voices you've created so far. If you have any legacy voices, you can upgrade them to version 5 for better vocal consistency. For example, here's one of my favorite voices. This is how it sounds.
Say that you love me, turn around, then backstab me.
Let's select this voice, keep the current style, add some lyrics, choose a style, give it a song title, and click Create. And here's what we get.
I don't live there no more. I move on. I move on.
And just like that, you can use the same voice to create songs in any genre, any style, even in different languages.
Drill rhythm, kill syllable algorithms. Build vision with real wisdom, no prison of fake image. They flex to the net, but the checks never show. I invest in the craft while you beg for a glow.
僕の名前を呼んでいる迷いながら進む道で答えはきっと見つかる तेरे सवालों की छाया से मैं बाहर आ चुकी हूँ
The second feature is custom models. Now you can train Suno on your own music catalog and create your own custom version of Suno. Let me show you how it works. In the Model Selection menu, there's a new option called Create Custom Model. Click on it and a window will open where you can upload your music. For best results, you can upload more than 24 songs, but you'll need at least 6 to train the model. Let's click on Bulk Upload. I have 9 songs on my computer that I want Suno to learn from. Once the songs are uploaded, I'll give the model a name. Let's call it Desert Valkyrie. Then click on Create Custom Model and Suno will start training it in the background. If we check the Model Selection menu, we can see that it's currently training. While that's happening, let me explain the data I used. All the songs I uploaded have 4 things in common: female vocals, heavy metal with Middle Eastern rhythms, complex time signatures, and a live performance vibe. Let's listen to one of the songs I used for training. So that's the general sound. Now it looks like the model is ready. Let's select it and test it out. I'll add some lyrics, leave the style section blank, and see what it comes up with. Let's hit create and see what it cooked. Now here's the interesting part. Even if I switch genres or vocals, it still leans toward the same style of music. That's because this custom model is trained only on this data. So whatever you feed it, that's what it learns. The third feature is called My Taste. Over time, Suno starts capturing your creative preferences, the styles you gravitate toward, the sonic choices you consistently make, and the kinds of songs you like, dislike, or keep coming back to. If you click on your profile picture and go to My Taste, you'll see that Suno has already started building a profile based on your usage. For example, it's picked up that I like dramatic pop ballads and pop rock with strong live performance energy. It also understands my songwriting themes: love, loss, resilience, along with my production style and preferred languages and vocals. And of course, you can edit or refine this anytime to better match your preferences. Think of it like custom instructions in ChatGPT, but for your music. Your taste profile helps Suno suggest better style prompts and make better songs, especially when you use this blue magic wand here. And that's it for this video. If you made it this far, I'd genuinely love to know, which of these features are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. You know I read every single one. I'm back after a long break and I've got a lot of videos planned. So if you're into this kind of content, make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one.